Hi all the viewers of Pearl of Kuwait. I'm Shravya. I'm 14 years old and I started my schooling in Kuwait Indian School and now I'm in 9th standard. I'm staying with my family here, but I belong to Rajahmundry in Andhra Pradesh. Both my parents are working. My father's name is Komanapalli Rajkumar and he's a contractor. My mom's name is Komanapalli Amrita Jyoti and she's a teacher. I also have a sibling. His name is Daniel Wilson. He's studying 4th standard right now. I'll talk about myself. I have so interest in studies. I'm also interested in many things like dancing, singing, painting, anchoring and many games like shuttle, swimming, etc. I have also a lot of interest in trying new things. My hobbies are to read books, watching TV, learning new songs and trying new dance forms. And now I like to share some words about my school. My school, I love my school. It's a great school. It gives everything a student needs in life. My school has given me many things in my life. It has improved my qualities. It has given me a lot of things like education, values and everything. My school is Kuwait Indian School and I'm very proud of it. I'm very thankful to my principal ma'am, Kalyani Mukherjee ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. And now I'd like to share a few words about my future. I want to become a cardiologist and this is because I'm very interested in science and especially in biology. But the actual reason I want to become a doctor is that my mom wanted to become a doctor but she couldn't, so I want to fulfill her wish. And the reason behind I've chosen cardiologist is my grandfather, because on my vacations in India I've gone and my grandfather was going through a heart operation. So I have seen the video of his heart operation. From then I've got interest on heart and this is why I want to become a cardiologist. And my future vision is not only to become a cardiologist but also to help the poor and needy people in my life and especially old people in old age homes. This is because in my vacations I have visited to an old age home and I met so many people over there and they have spent a lot of time with me and I have realized after meeting them that they are not so happy even after getting a shelter. So I want to give a message to all of you that please take care of the elders in your families and not neglect them. And I also want to share with everyone the values I've got in my life that I've got from my family, from the society. I want to share with everyone. I'm very thankful to Tanima for this unique contest in collaboration with Promise Kuwait. Please vote for me. My voting format is Ravya space KIS, SHRAVYA space KIS. Thank you.